side of Blackwater, but they would have a miscue on their set plays.
Perez, another step back.
And
Up!
that goes in after cleaning the rim.
Just creates so much space on that pull-up or that step-back jumper that he was is able to launch that shot.
And that's another turnover for the ball save. CJ Perez is 5 points away from another 25 point, at least 25-point game. He's been on a 5-game streak with that. Perez adding to his point total, and he gets a foul.
I mean, both coaches really have, great preparation and game plan for this game. You see on the one side, San Miguel asserting their dominance in the rebounding. They were getting a lot of offensive rebounds and putbacks. Second chance points. You see Blackwater, they know that their size is going to be a problem. They need a lot of those open looks,
That's
nice
why
passes,